What if you could answer real-world questions like which areas are at risk? What lies within a boundary? Or what overlaps with what? That's exactly where geoprocessing tools in QGIS come in. In GIS, maps aren't just visuals, they're decision-making tools. Geoprocessing helps you analyze distance, overlap, and boundaries with accuracy. Without these tools, GIS would just be drawing. In this video, we'll explore some of the most essential geoprocessing tools in QGIS. Now, what exactly are geoprocessing tools? Geoprocessing tools let you analyze spatial relationships between features. Things like distance, overlap, or containment. Each tool takes your input layers, performs operations, and outputs new layers for analysis. So here I have the layer of waterways in Pakistan. Now I'll use the buffer tool. A buffer creates a zone around features useful for proximity analysis, like finding schools within 500 meters of a road. For doing the buffer analysis, you can go to the Vector tab, Geoprocessing tool, and then Buffer. Here I have used the input layer of waterways. The distance I will use is 0.05. And segments over here define smoothness of buffer edges. For now, I will keep it 0.45, and the end caps I have chosen how the buffer should show around it. And I have chosen the round feature here. If I run it, as you can see, each waterway or each polygon has a surrounding polygon now, showing the specific distance zone. Now, you can dissolve these overlapping buffers by enabling Dissolve Result in Tool Settings over here. So if I run this again, here you go. Next, you can use X2X data within a boundary, like cropping a photo, but for spatial layers. You can also perform this by going to the Vector tab, Geoprocessing, and Clip. Now, the input layer that I want to show is the waterways again. And the overlaid layer should be the copy that I have created of the Pakistan boundary file, excluding some provinces. I will run those, and as you can see now, it has created another file. Now, these are all the waterways that are only contained inside the Pakistan boundary layer that I have created a copy of. The province of Sindh, KPK, Azad, Kashmir, Islamabad, etc. And over here, only the waterways inside these areas will be shown. This is perfect for focusing analysis on a specific region. Now on to the Dissolve tool. The Dissolve tool merges polygons that share a common attribute value. For example, if you have districts with a province field, you can dissolve by province to merge all districts belonging to the same province. So, for performing this action, you can go to Vector, Geoprocessing tool, and Dissolve. I'll use the boundary layer again here, and the field has a point dissolve, is admin 0, where it says Pakistan for all of these provinces. I'm going to select it, click OK, and I'm going to run it. As you can see, all of these provinces are now dissolved into one simple polygon. Dissolve is great for simplifying boundaries or summarizing data by category. Now, the Intersect and Union tools compare two layers spatially. Intersect's outputs only overlapping area, while Union combines both layers, keeping all areas and attributes from both layers. For performing this, you can again go to Vector Geoprocessing tool. And let's say intersection or union. And here, I'll select a file of the waterways and no relate layer of dissolve. And I'll run it. So after running the union, as you can see overhead, it combines all the attributes and all the features of both the layers, boundary layer and the initial waterways layer, and assigns 7 to 1. Same thing can be done for the intersect layer as well. By selecting any two layers and only overlapping features will be displayed. These tools can also be chained together for advanced analysis. For example, using buffer to create zones around roads, and then clipping them by a city boundary and intersecting with a land use layer to find affected areas. This combination approach is what makes GIS a powerful problem-solving tool. So let's recap. Buffer creates proximity zones. Clip extracts data within a boundary. Dissolve merges features by attributes. Intersect finds common areas. Union combines everything. When used together, these tools form the core workflow of geoprocessing in QGIS. If this video helped you understand geoprocessing better, please give it a like. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.